Okay, let's go.
Tandoori chicken recipe. Like and follow. Marinate boneless chicken with salt, curd, garlic and ginger paste, paprika powder, tandoori spice powder, lemon juice. All ingredients mix well and leave it in the fridge overnight for more flavor. Cook marinate chicken in the air fryer. Cook for 20 minutes in 390 degrees. Change the sides after 10 minutes. Oh! Super delicious! Like, take a chicken from the fryer and cut into small pieces. Yummy, yummy! Serve with ranch dressing and enjoy the delicious tandoori chicken. And we done. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.